show. We bailed on the blind, went back to the four wheeler, and loaded everything up and decided to hit another spot. This is some private land. It was a really steep incline to get up to the top of this, but we survived and we did some calling. And we heard something behind us, so we kind of turned around to check it out. And lo and behold, it was not a bird, but four deer came up right behind us. And they got up close and personal with us. It really has me questioning whether or not I need to use a turkey call during deer season because they were very interested in what we were. Two of them blew out before the other two, and then the other two came within about 5 yards of us, which was pretty interesting considering no scent control, no nothing, and really it was the turkey call that made them curious. So I don't know. This might be a tactic I use for bow hunting this fall. And this is nuts. Jake literally stands up with the camera. He does have some cover with the trees, but I mean the amount of movement we're doing, and we're laughing the whole time too, in between these clips, because these deer just would not leave. This deer in particular, I believe, is the one that really comes up to us. So it's just it blew my mind. It was an unrealistic experience that I've had with deer, because the minute they see me or around me, usually they're booking. So this was just wild to experience this.
Just over there. There's more than one there. Hey, it's got a beard, right?
All right, so after lunch, we decided to go back to the blind. Usually the Jakes show up in the evening, even though they showed up in the morning. Um, so we got in the blind, and sure enough, we had a hen yelp back behind us. She circled all the way around and then came in from behind the tree. So I don't know if this is the same hen or a different hen, but it got us really excited. We did have a mishap with the decoy. We had to tighten up the tail because it was pretty windy in the afternoon and it ended up blowing the tail over. So if y'all do have a B mobile or use a B mobile, make sure you got a multi tool or something with you where you can really crank on that thing on windy days. And here she is. She's coming in. She's going to give us a little show. She feeds heavily, and she's also around for an extended period of time. So this was really cool to watch. unfortunately, we also lost audio for these two clips with the hen. I was trying to use a mic, plug-in mic. Unfortunately, that mic didn't seem to do the trick. But yeah, she came in and she really didn't purr. She didn't. She yelped the one time, and I think that was when she saw the tom decoy. But other than that, she came in and she just aggressively fed. She went through the woods. She did some scratching, but really no clucks, no purrs, no yelp beside the one. So with her being in the field and feeding, I was hoping the males would pop in because after the scenario of the morning, I was going to drop a Jake. To have them that close and walk away, I kind of had my mind made up. But, everything prevailed. And, of course, when she first came in, I was looking for her beard. But lo and behold, she's safe. So, yeah, just really cool footage. I've really never had turkeys within 50 yards. Could never really hunted them. And then deer hunting, I would see them in passing or, right here, yeah, you can really see her scratching. And, yeah, it was a good show, and it was a break of the monotony. It was quite windy, but it was really interesting to watch. So, and then once again, looking at those feathers and how they shine, they definitely glisten in the sunlight, considering it's cloudy. You can really see the highlight on her back. So, I mean, I'm definitely going to be polishing my decoys from here on out after seeing this up close and personal.